All right, what's up, guys? How's it going? I'm so fucking tired and overworked, to be honest. I'm not getting any sleep. So, right now, one of the last issues that we have with the indicator is gathering more resources than 40 at once because TradingView limits only 40 parses at once. We're trying to scan multiple coins at once, 240 coins over four different time frames. So, not a lot of people have figured out workarounds with this yet. So it's a limitation with PineScript. So right now we're at about 77 hours of putting time into this indicator at $200 an hour. It's probably going to be close to 90 hours by the time he's done in a few days. Not only that, I've got to give a tip on top of that. So the range is going to be between, excuse me, I have a small cough, between $20,000 to $25,000. Sorry, one second. So anywhere from 20,000 to $25,000 to finish this indicator of mine. So the goal is very simple, okay? The goal is there's two goals for any trader to be hyper successful. I've concluded it down to this. The first goal is to first of all find a coin to trade. You have to be able to go to a coin. Like my old method didn't work well. It worked all right, the scanning the coins individually, but once you get to a point, you start to realize there's a more efficient way to do it, and that would be automatically. I don't think that a lot of professional traders will ever go into the automation process because there's always a human element that's necessary to enter a trade, right? So automation, I can see the appeal of it and everything, but I just don't think that $1 million trader is going to automate everything. He's going to do a lot of it manually because it's really difficult to create the ultimate strategy because it's also dependent on the programmer as well to conceptualize your vision, and that's very difficult. I don't know a single $1 million trader that automates his trades, but some things that they do automate that can be done. For example, myself, there's two criteria to be an ultimate trader. One is to have a really good scanning method that's going to point you out to literally the best coins to trade. There's nowhere in the internet that will do that for you because the reason for that is because it's very difficult to create a concept. First of all, that's it's really difficult. Like you have to be someone to think outside of the box, right? So the people that have done it, they've probably hired someone to do it like me already, and they've definitely kept it a secret. Why the fuck would they ever want to release this kind of stuff to the public, right? You're never gonna find it because it's too precious, man. If you have a secret idea that's making you a lot, that's making you a lot of money, you're not gonna share this shit. You wanna be, fuck, man. You want to be, because I'm talking too loud, you want to be greedy with this stuff. You don't want to share things that you know. You want to capitalize for yourself and monopolize on the market, right? A monopoly is really important. So the first thing is to create a way of advanced coin scanning. So the way that I've developed is to look at ATR that's programmable over periods of time with a stop loss length and also looking for range over a specified period of time. Because if you can identify the volatility and the range and perhaps how close it is to the chandelier exit indicator, you can find coins that are trending that can potentially break out. So that's my theory. And the second thing that's going to contribute hyper successful traders is a strategy. And the strategy, like, trust me, guys, like 9 years of trading, you guys have all seen my monster trades, my win streaks, right? If you have been following me for a long time, you'll know that in 2021, I was trading like $1.5 million sizes in the bull market. We're not there yet right now. That's why I'm not trading big. But when you see the bull market, you will see the sizes that I trade. If you guys go to the live trading channel, go back to 2021, you will see the amount of live trades I've made in the $1.5 million sizes. You'll see some trades I win that are like $30,000. Crazy. $40,000 was my biggest trade on Phil. And I did that in the back of a fucking taxi cab. So after a few years, I've now realized that we need to have a hyper successful strategy that is going to be dependent on confirmation. The confirmation is going to be key after finding after using the advanced coin scanner, and it points us to the direction of the volatile coin or the coin that's trending above a specific ATR. So after you find this coin, you now need to apply a really strong confirmation strategy. And my strategy is going to involve using artificial intelligence that's going to scan lots of data in the past before. It's going to look for lots of different data points and analyze it based on up to 5 different indicators. And then it's basically going to print you off a strong signal to either buy or sell if it believes that it's a good place to buy. But the important thing is it scans everything in the back, and then it's going to try to predict future behavior based off of everything that it's scanned in the past. And we don't use this indicator alone. We use it as a confirmation method combined with advanced price analysis, combined with advanced price action, and also especially with things like the chandelier exit indicator as well. And then other things like RSI and MACD and Elliott wave theory, they have all become secondary now. So what you're going to get in this new course of mine, like you guys have never seen it. Trust me. You've never seen me talk about any of this shit except for chandelier exit. But now we're even evolving it further to another level with the confirmation. So everything in this course is actually brand fucking spanking new, and it's going to blow your mind. I actually rewatched the entire course already. It's about 12 hours. And it was very overwhelming for myself. I realized, holy fuck, this is so advanced that like any newer trader that tries to learn this, they're gonna be like, fuck, man, what's he talking about, right? It's so complicated, but so simplified as well if you know the advanced concepts. So let me just show you guys a little bit about what I've been developing here, okay? So here is the course. I've actually uploaded a lot of things already. The webpage is all up, ready to take your payment anytime. But as much as I want you guys to get in the course, as much as I want to recover the funds to have produced this indicator, like $25,000, guys, like do the math for a second. It's going to cost me $25,000. I'm going to let 100 people into this course. Most of them will be lifetime members, which is $250. So I'm going to recover my $25,000 selling it to you guys, but I'm not making a penny more after that, fuck. So really, I'm running a new Discord group, right? A premium group. Like the only thing I got out of it is I got an advanced CoinScanner for free, basically, right? You guys pretty much paid for that, we can say, right? But then I'm showing you guys a crazy new strategy that took me now 550 hours to create and plan. I also paid the guy that I interviewed, my friend, about $2,000 so far for just his time to answer questions for the interview. So now I'm behind money on top of having to actually work in this channel for the rest of my life since it's a lifetime membership. So am I actually making anything? Fuck no, I'm not making anything. I didn't really think that far ahead, right? I thought to myself, ooh, I'll charge a little bit more. I'll make some extra money on the side. But I didn't realize the indicator would be this expensive. So don't think for a moment that I'm actually profiting from this, because you can do the math yourself, okay? So here's the syllabus or the course outline. The introduction, I talk about the problems with the standalone indicators, introduction to artificial intelligence trading and how it benefits us. I talk about advanced price action and volume analysis, and then I combine price action volume with the chandelier exit indicator, and I introduced to you guys a brand new indicator that I find to be underrated, and it's now one of the most important indicators that I use for confirmation. I also am talking about I'm going to introduce to you guys the AI indicator as well, and that's a very complicated video, but it's also simple once you understand it. I also go through the multiple settings that it has, like every single setting. I've gone through it. I know how to change the filter settings because I had an interview with the developer. The developer of this AI indicator and I are really good friends, and he keeps complimenting me and saying that I came to the conclusion that like without even his help, came to the best conclusion possible on how to use it. So it was a freaking amazing interview with him, and you guys are gonna love it, okay? So I talk about all the filter settings and the recommendations and how you can vary it based off of the specific circumstances that you're in. For example, based off of how parabolic the coin is moving or how sideways it is, based off of how much noise you want it to filter out as well, based off of how many signals you want it to give you so you can manually evaluate it yourself. Okay, so I go through all of that with you guys. I also go through something called the confidence of a candle with you guys, where each candle has a different rating system, and I'm going to show you guys what that means. I'm going to show you guys another indicator that I use, which is basically like EMA on steroids, okay? That's the best way to explain it. I'm going to introduce the strategy for you guys and putting it all together. All of this above here, this is a long video. Okay, so it shows you how to use the things about price action, volume analysis, combining the chandelier exit indicator as well, using the different filter settings as well, so lots of different circumstances. And then we're going to show you guys even more examples with strategy reinforced. And then I'm going to show you guys how to use the back testing feature that's built in, not built in, but it's an adapter that's added to this. So this way you can test out different time frames, you can test out different scenarios of entries and exits, see your win rate, and you'll find that it has a ridiculous win rate. And I break down exactly to you how the back tester is used. For example, it's for your entry, it's gonna assume so many bars based off of the confidence of the trend, and then when it takes profit as well. And then we're gonna have an amazing interview with the developer. I'll be completely honest, I paid him up to $2,000 for everything total, just for his time, just so I would show him the appreciation that he deserves, because he's contributing to the crypto and the trading view community. And then we go to the next part where there's the advanced coin scanner. Okay, here you're gonna go through the introduction of the advanced coin scanner. This part here, I'm still waiting for the developer to finish it. Just a few more kinks, okay? Just probably 2-3 days more max. Here, we're gonna configure the advanced coin scanner of mine. I'm actually very surprised at myself for thinking of this. It is something that nobody has ever thought of before. And I believe that it takes somebody who thinks really outside of the box to develop something like this. And my entire life, I've always been somebody who thinks outside of the box that can innovate. And I used to always like stare at spreadsheets. I would like minimize, maximize, and I would always think of the easiest way to do things. And in a way as well, I'm not surprised that I came up with this, but I'm very proud of myself and the progress that we've made to get to this level to develop a coin scanner that's gonna, I personally believe that it's a very humbling experience to be able to do something like this, and I know that people will appreciate it. And I'm going to show you guys tons of examples on how to live scan. And then the best part is the examples part, which I'm not even done yet. I'm giving you guys 10 solid examples, okay, of how to use the strategy, okay? And the coin scanner examples are not in here, okay? This is all trading examples. This part I have to add more, the scanning examples. This is 10 solid examples of how to use how to use the new AI strategies, okay? And exactly how you're gonna take profit. I show you guys, I break down the criteria for entering, the criteria to ride, the criteria to exit your position on all time frames, and they're so specific, okay? And you're gonna learn a lot from that. Not only that, there are 17 live trades, 17 live trades, not all wins. I lose some trades as well, okay? So I lost some trades as well, and there's 17 live trades that showcases the power of, first of all, the new strategies. They're mainly new strategies, but some of them might be my old strategies as well, but they're like on steroids, where they're like really a better version using the AI strategies. So right now, this whole course, said and done, it's gonna be about 14 hours total and about 45 lessons. So I didn't even expect for it to be this long, but none of this material overlaps with my old content. I spent 550 hours developing this new course and also these new strategies because I was frustrated with, one, not being able to find a coin to trade in a quick way. I was frustrated with my manual scanning, if you guys have seen me do it. And two, I wasn't able to catch any of these breakouts because these breakouts happen, and then by the time I see it, it's like, oh crap, it's already too high. I need to short it. So I needed to develop a way to have a way of seeing when the bios could happen, when the breakout could happen. And that came down to developing the coin scanner so I can see the patterns that look like they're about to break up. And when these two things are combined, I am so confident that everybody that has access to this, they are going to learn more than anywhere else that they've learned anything before. And this content, once again, it doesn't overlap any of my old content. Okay, it's like completely brand new. I literally spent in the past 2 months 550 freaking hours sitting here trying to trade, trying to manage a Discord group, and come up with this new strategy of mine. So I haven't had a single day off in actually since I came back from my Hawaii trip with my parents in November. So it's been about 3 months now. I've been working on this secretly behind the sidelines. And I know for a fact that once I finish this, it's going to bring me to another freaking level, man, to the stratosphere. So I hope you guys are excited as I am about this. And take a look. In a few days, it's going to be released. So I hope to see a lot of you guys sign up. There's only 100 people that will get into this, okay? And yes, anybody can sign up, even if you are a newer trader. But the catch is that you better apply yourself if you want to commit and comment and participate in the group. You must be diligent. And all the new courses, okay? Like right now, it's gonna come with it's $250 for the lifetime members. And also, if you are a non-lifetime member, it's $550. And basically what you're gonna get is you're gonna get, first of all, access to the elite tier group, the elite tier Discord membership, where we discuss the elite strategies, the advanced strategies, such as the new strategies using AI, and also the new strategies where we have the advanced CoinScanner. So you get access to the new strategies and to the new advanced CoinScanner. And you also get access to this new course that I just showed you as well, which is 14 hours long. So you get the course on the new strategies, you get the course on the tutorial, you get access to the elite group as well, right? This is all for the lifetime members currently. For the non-lifetime members, what you get is also access to the emergency bull market survival guide. So with this, you're going to catch up to us. You're going to take that course first, catch up with us, and then take the new course right here, the Advanced Trading Mastery course. So if you are a newer trader, yes, you can still join. And the whole point of this group is to have very serious and committed traders in the group. I don't want those traders that are like motivated for because they see a single video, they buy my course, and then they like disappear, right? I don't want those people there. I want the people that can actually commit themselves, and I want to literally mentor you, and I want to have conversations with you that are deep about trading, and I want to see you succeed. I literally want to see you as my student, okay? Right now in the current premium chat, there's a lot of people that come and they go and they don't take it seriously in any way as they should. So this is why I'm creating a new elite tier to invite people that want to be extremely serious about trading. And, it's hard, even though some people might say, I'm serious about trading, but it's like, are you putting in, like 40, 50, 60 hours a week? No. Are you here in the Discord group with me? No. What are you doing, right? Are you working full time? Yeah, I am. So how can you commit to this full time? Right? So I want the full-time people that can commit with me. So guys, sign up when it's available. There's 100 slots available right now, and we'll see how it goes later. Other than that, I hope that you guys have a great time learning this course. I hope that you're looking forward to it, and I assure you that this will be my best work yet. So have a great day, guys. Talk soon. Bye now.